Welcome back, kitchen lovers. Today, we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing kitchen gadgets that will make cooking faster, easier, and more fun. Let's check them out. As always, links to all the products are in the description below, so you can grab your favorite. This food chopper is your ultimate kitchen companion for quick and effortless food prep. Designed for convenience, this manual hand vegetable chopper allows you to chop, dice, and mince vegetables, nuts, and more with ease, no electricity required. The sharp stainless steel blades ensure precise cutting, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. Plus, cleaning is a breeze with its detachable, dishwasher-safe parts. Whether you're making salads, salsas, or meal prep, this chopper saves time and effort, making cooking more enjoyable. This bread maker machine brings the joy of homemade bread right to your kitchen with ease and convenience. Designed for effortless baking, it offers multiple pre-programmed settings to create a variety of bread types, from classic white and whole wheat to gluten-free and artisan-style loaves. With customizable crust control, you can choose from light, medium, or dark to suit your preference. The compact design fits seamlessly on any countertop, while the intuitive LCD display ensures simple operation. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, this bread maker guarantees fresh, delicious results every time. This meat slicer is designed for effortless precision slicing, making meal prep faster and easier. Crafted from high-quality materials, it ensures durability and efficiency in cutting fresh meat, vegetables, and more. The sharp stainless steel blade delivers uniform slices with minimal effort, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for safe operation. Whether you're preparing meat for stir-fries, hot pots, or BBQs, this slicer guarantees consistency and convenience in every cut. Perfect for home kitchens and commercial use, it's the ultimate tool for achieving professional-grade slicing at home. This potato masher is the perfect kitchen tool for effortlessly mashing potatoes, vegetables, and more. Designed with a sturdy stainless steel mashing plate, it ensures smooth and lump-free results every time. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during use. Whether you're preparing creamy mashed potatoes, baby food, or guacamole, this durable and stylish masher is a must-have for any kitchen. This spiral egg holder is the perfect blend of functionality and style for your kitchen. Designed with a space-saving spiral structure, it allows you to neatly organize and access your eggs with ease. The smooth rolling design ensures that the oldest eggs are always used first, helping to maintain freshness. Made from durable and high-quality materials, this egg holder adds a modern touch to any countertop while keeping your eggs secure and within reach. Ideal for home kitchens, cafes, and restaurants, it's a must-have for anyone who loves a well-organized cooking space. This cob corn stripper makes removing corn kernels effortless and mess-free. Designed with a durable stainless steel blade, it quickly strips corn from the cob in seconds. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the compact size makes storage easy. Ideal for fresh corn salads, salsas, and soups, this handy kitchen tool saves time and reduces waste. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, it's a must-have for any home cook who loves fresh, flavorful corn without the hassle. This electric smokeless grill brings the joy of indoor grilling without the hassle of smoke. Designed for effortless cooking, it features advanced heating technology that ensures even grilling, while the built-in smoke extraction system keeps your kitchen fresh. The non-stick grill plate allows for easy cleanup, and the adjustable temperature control lets you cook everything from juicy steaks to tender vegetables with precision. Perfect for apartments, barbecue lovers, and health-conscious cooks, this electric grill delivers delicious results without the need for an outdoor setup. This food steamer is your ultimate kitchen companion for healthy and convenient cooking. Designed with 2 stackable steaming baskets, it allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once, preserving nutrients and natural flavors without the need for added oils. The quick start heating system ensures fast and even steaming, while the auto shut-off feature provides safety and peace of mind. Perfect for vegetables, seafood, poultry, and grains, this steamer makes meal prep effortless. With its compact design and easy-to-clean parts, this food steamer is a must-have for every kitchen. This mandolin slicer is designed to make slicing effortless, safe, and precise. Featuring a hands-free design, it ensures your fingers stay protected while cutting fruits and vegetables with ease. The adjustable thickness settings allow for customized slicing, making it perfect for salads, chips, and meal prep. Built with high-quality stainless steel blades, it delivers ultra-sharp performance for uniform cuts every time. The compact and foldable design ensures easy storage, while the non-slip base provides stability during use. Upgrade your kitchen with this safe, efficient, and versatile mandolin slicer. This lemon squeezer is a playful yet practical addition to your kitchen. Designed in the shape of pasta, this quirky squeezer makes juicing lemons effortless while adding a touch of fun to your cooking routine. Made from high-quality, food-safe silicone, it ensures a comfortable grip and efficient extraction of juice without the mess. Whether you're making fresh lemonade, seasoning a dish, or adding citrus to cocktails, this unique lemon squeezer brings both convenience and charm to your kitchen. This Nugget ice maker is the perfect addition to your home, office, or party space, delivering soft, chewable crushed ice in minutes. Designed for convenience, this countertop ice maker produces fresh Nugget ice quickly, ensuring you never run out during gatherings or daily use. With a compact and modern design, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen or bar setup. Enjoy restaurant-quality ice at your fingertips with an easy-to-use interface and efficient ice production. Upgrade your ice-making experience with this ice maker, perfect for cooling drinks and enhancing your refreshment moments. This automatic stirrer is a unique automatic pan stirrer designed to save time and effort in the kitchen. With its built-in LED speed indicator, you can easily adjust the stirring speed for perfect consistency. Its hands-free operation allows you to multitask while cooking, ensuring even mixing and preventing burning. Ideal for sauces, soups, and more, this smart stirrer takes the hassle out of stirring. This electric can opener makes opening cans effortless with just a light push of the lever. Designed for convenience, it features a smooth touch operation that cuts along the side of the can, leaving a clean, smooth edge without sharp lids. Its sleek, modern design complements any kitchen, while the easy one-hand operation is perfect for those with limited hand strength. Compatible with both standard and pop-top cans, this can opener ensures hassle-free use every time. This banana slicer is the perfect tool for effortlessly slicing bananas with precision and ease. Designed for convenience, it ensures quick, uniform cuts, making it ideal for healthy snacks, cereal toppings, fruit salads, and desserts. With a safe and user-friendly design, it eliminates the hassle of using knives, making it perfect for both kids and adults. Simply press down and enjoy evenly sliced bananas in seconds. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a nutritious treat, this banana slicer is a must-have kitchen gadget for every home. This honey dispenser is designed for effortless pouring and mess-free serving. Featuring a convenient trigger release, it allows you to drizzle honey, syrup, or other liquids with precision and control. The glass container showcases the rich golden hues of your favorite sweeteners, while the sturdy base prevents sticky drips on your table. Perfect for breakfast lovers, tea enthusiasts, and bakers, this dispenser combines practicality with elegance for a seamless kitchen experience. And there you have it. Which city are you watching this video from? Drop it in the comments.